State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Michael Chungin is presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, smoking, or driving. Please, no excessive background noise. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. We are ready on People versus Alvara. Is that correct? If we move on then to People versus Abu Musalam. Are you ready on Abu Musalam?
Your Honor, we're ready for Alvara.
I don't know where your client went. Your client is not on Zoom anymore. You may want to call him and tell him to log back on.
Okay, I'll let him know.
Mr. Moore, we ready on your client?
Okay.
Mr. Moore has Mr. Abu Musalam, is that correct?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Greg Moore, P3 4437. We request that you adjourn this to June 11th, maybe at 1:30 for adjourned pretrial.
And as well as the informal, because we have an accompanying civil practice. Yes, sir. We'll put those over until that date. Some more I've lost.
Okay.
I can't. Okay, so we've got June 11th, 9 a.m., please.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry,
you.
Judge. I didn't, can you give me the name again?
That was Mr. Abu Musalam, is the last name.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Are we now ready on Alvaro, please?
My client has something to call back in.
You do have the attorney.
Yes.
Ms. Hamoud?
Yes.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hamoud. I'm Judge Chungin. You're representing Mr. Alvara. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, my understanding, as a result of conferences, we are going to set these matters for bench trial as well as formal hearing, that being June 23rd at 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
And you as well.
Thanks.
Ready on Janine Armstrong.
Ready, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, and for the record, you are pleased.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619, on behalf of Ms. Armstrong. Would you state your name for the record, Ms. Armstrong?
Janine Armstrong.
All right. So, my understanding, I have a plea recommendation agreement whereby the charge will be amended to failure to display. Is that
Your
correct?
Honor, I got a chance to examine the documents of Ms. Armstrong. She does have a valid license. As officer of the court, I did observe that. She had it at the time of the incident too, but it wasn't on her. So in that case, I would have a motion to dismiss.
Well, that's fine, but I don't have any recommendations from, have you discussed this with the prosecutor, sir?
I guess we'd have to go back to the prosecutor then. Sometimes they'll just let you, if an attorney views it, it will let them dismiss, but
Whereas that is not checked on the plea recommendation, sir.
can we then have the prosecutor be brought back in so I can tell them what's going on with this case?
We're going to see if he can, in fact, zoom back in.
Okay. And it would also involve the prosecutor on the next case too, the next female.
And who is that, please?
That would be Ms. Thomas.
I don't even see her. What happened to her? She's not on Zoom anymore.
I tried to bring her in. I don't know what happened to her.
Mr. DiMaggio, I'm showing plea recommendation on Ms. Thomas is that she's going to plead responsible to a seatbelt and that the misdemeanor registration is dismissed. But she's
Right.
pleading seatbelt.
Right. But I don't think the prosecutor knew that Ms. Thomas had she has a valid registration. In light of that, I wonder if that had an impact on the dismissal of the seatbelt.
The prosecutor's zooming in now.
I'll let you discuss that with the prosecutor again, sir.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
The next one won't be so complicated.
To go and break out, we have to stop the flag street.
Okay.
If they want to go to the breakout room, yeah. Unless you want to go to the next one, Hubbard Ash.
I don't have an action on the screen.
He's on the phone, Hubbard Ash.
Oh, is there a Hubbard Ash present?
Mr. Ash,
Unmute your phone, Mr. Ash. Start 6 to unmute your phone. Mr. Ash, start 6 to unmute. There you go.
Okay, okay.
Where is Mr. Ash?
He's on the phone.
All right, Mr. Ash, I'm Judge Chungan. And
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm well, thank you, sir. And who's representing Mr. Ash?
Andrew. How's it going?
Am I correct, sir? We're going to have a plea to the failure to secure the loan under advisement for 3 months. The other 2 matters would be dismissed. Is that a correct presentation of our agreement, sir?
Yes, yes, sir.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Ash, sir,
Yes,
you swear from the testimony about to give the matter is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
yes,
All right, you're pleading guilty because on October 20th this year, while in the city of Detroit, you're operating a vehicle and you did fail to secure the loan. Is that correct, sir?
that's correct.
All right, I accept the pleas being accurate, voluntary, and understanding, and the plea bargain agreement in toto, dismissing those 2 other accompanying matters. Further, Mr. Ash, understand this is what we call delayed sentence, meaning if you don't catch any other tickets, certainly one like this in the next few months, and you pay your fines and costs, then this will be dismissed. You will not have this on your record. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you have fines and costs of $240. Now, importantly, I need you to tell me when this will be paid in full. How long, sir?
As soon as I can get down, well, I don't know where I pay it at. I can come down to the third Tuesday court.
How about this? Can I note within 7 days?
Yes.
Okay, now you have to take that. Listen to me, you have to take that date seriously. Otherwise, all sorts of bad things happen. This plea bargain agreement falls apart, get in trouble with Secretary of State, warrants can issue, so just make sure it's paid within 7 days. Don't get the other tickets for 90 days. Understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you post a bond at all?
No. No.
So 7 days you pay in person or online, sir. Thank you.
In person, probably, because I don't know how to do it online.
That's fine then. Come on down. During court hours, sir.
I didn't understand what you say.
All right, if there's nothing else, you can hang up, sir.
Your Honor, I think you can pay that. You can pay that at a
How to
kiosk.
pay? How to pay?
How do you pay?
Yes.
I said how?
Sir, you can pay it online or at a kiosk.
I don't know how to do that either.
Okay, come down to the court.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right. Have a good day, Your Honor.
And you as well, sir.
All right. Goodbye.
Bye now. Okay, so.
Madam Clerk, you asked the prosecutor to log in?